Hi, I'm Mrs. Loca and I'm your choir teacher. This is my 14th year teaching choir here at Luna Middle School, and I love teaching choir and I love working with middle school students. Every year I get to witness the growth that happens in middle school. I'm so excited to get to know my students for the 2021 school year. Let's talk about what to expect in choir and see if I can answer some of your questions. Choir is a class where we learn about music and singing. In this class, you will practice many different styles and genres of music. You will learn about reading music. You will learn about controlling your voice and sound and how to do that in healthy ways. For your grades in choir, sometimes you will have to sing for me. I only grade what you've learned in your lessons. So for example, if we were practicing singing loudly and softly, and you were able to sing loudly and softly, then you're going to get a 100 on that assignment. I'm willing to work with each student on how they want to sing for me as well. So some students will enjoy singing for me over Zoom in front of their classmates, and other students may prefer to sing alone or make a recording, an audio or a video recording, and turn it into me in that way. Sometimes you'll do written work. You may have to take a quiz or other written activity, but I'll help you if you need it. And I think it's really important to help students work at their own pace. I really want you to be successful. With everything going on this year due to COVID-19 and health measures, I'm not expecting the same number of large-scale public concerts and performances that I'm used to. I do, however, know about 2 solo competitions coming up for this year. The first one is for 7th and 8th grade students. It's called All Region Auditions, and that'll be in the fall. And the next one is in the spring for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students. Both of these competitions are optional, and we'll talk about them more once classes start. So because of all the changes, you won't need to mark your calendars now for performances. We will be scheduling a few Zoom recitals, and I promise I'll give you plenty of notice if any other performance opportunities come up at some point. Students, I highly recommend that you speak with the members of your household about your singing space. You're going to need some good places and good times where you can sing at full volume and feel comfortable. And also know that you're not disrupting other people in your household. Since you can choose between singing during scheduled meetings with me or making recordings on your own, you can pick the times that work best for you. This message is for the families of our choir students. Families, as I mentioned before, students will need space and time to practice their singing and make recordings. Some people feel vulnerable or embarrassed to sing alone in front of others. So please help our students find space and time where they can practice their singing with the amount of privacy that they want or they need. Also, please have talks with members of your household about being supportive of our students as they are practicing and experimenting with their voices, especially since some students may be asked to try things with their voice that are new or difficult or out of their comfort zone. Every day for school, you will log on to Schoology. Each class, each section has a number at the end of it, and that's your class period. You can choose to join your class Zoom meetings for attendance, or you can choose to complete your daily assignments before midnight for attendance. The bell schedule is posted on my materials page and on the Luna website so that you can find out when your class meetings are. I hope I've answered some of your questions, and I really look forward to working with my students this year. If you have more questions or concerns, you can email me or you can message me through Schoology. While you will have chances to work at your own pace through Schoology, I really hope to see all of you in the choir Zoom meetings the first week of school. Best wishes as you start your new school year.